Hi students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Class 6 Geography Chapter 7 Our Country India. How are you children? I hope all of you are safe and fine there at home. I hope all of you have studied the previous parts of this chapter very well. Children, today we would focus on the physical divisions of our country. India is marked by a diversity of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts, and islands. Standing as sentinels in the north are the lofty snow-capped Himalayas. Him plus Alaya mean the abode of snow. Children, the Himalayan mountains are divided into three main parallel ranges. Which are they? Yes, the northernmost is the Great Himalaya or Himadri. The world's highest peaks are located in this range. Then the second one, Middle Himalaya or Himachal. Middle Himalaya or Himachal lies to the south of Himadri. Many popular hill stations are located here. Then the third one is Shivalik. This is the southernmost range. So the northern plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are generally level and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers such as the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These river plains provide fertile land for cultivation. That is the reason for high concentration of population in these plains. Children, what do you mean by alluvial deposits? These are very fine soils brought by rivers and deposited in the river basins. Then what do you mean by tributary? Yes, a river or stream which contributes its water to a main river by discharging it into main river from either side. Okay, you just take your textbook and figure 6.1. Okay, children. Then the western part of India lies the great Indian desert. It is dry, hot and sandy stretch of land and it has very little vegetation. Then to the south of the northern plains lies the Peninsula Plateau. It is triangular in shape. The relief is highly uneven. This is a region with numerous hill ranges and valleys. Which all hills? Yes, Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest ranges of the world, border it on the northwest side. The Vindhyas and the Satpuras are the most important ranges. The rivers Narmada and Tapi flow through these ranges. These are the west flowing rivers that drain into Arabian Sea. So children, please note that which all rivers are west flowing? Yes, the Narmada and the Tabi. The Western Ghats or Sahyadris border the plateau in the west and the Eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary. While the Western Ghats are almost continuous, the Eastern Ghats are broken and uneven. The plateau is rich in minerals like coal and iron ore. Children, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra form the world's largest delta, the Sundarban Delta. The delta is triangular in shape. It is an area of land formed at the mouth of the river. Okay, the delta is an area of land formed at the mouth of the river. So Sundarban Delta is formed by the rivers such as Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Okay, then to the west of the Western Ghats and the east of the Eastern Ghats lie the coastal plains. The western coastal plains are very narrow. Look at the picture, children. The eastern coastal plains are much broader. there are a number of east-flowing rivers. Which are they? The rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. And these rivers have formed fertile deltas at their mouth. The Sundarban Delta is formed where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, children. Then the last one is the two groups of islands also form part of India. Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. These are coral islands located off the coast of Kerala. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of the Indian mainland in the Bay of Bengal. Children, have you heard about tsunami? Yes. Tsunami is a huge sea wave generated due to an earthquake on the sea floor. Okay, tsunami is a huge sea wave generated due to an earthquake on the sea floor. Have you heard about the tsunami in 2004? Yes. So children, it's time to wind up our sessions. Shall I ask some questions? Yes. Which are the three divisions of Himalayan mountains? Yes. Great Himalaya or Himadri, Middle Himalaya or Himachal and Shivalik. Then after that Himalayan mountains we have Northern Indian plains. Okay. This Northern Indian plains lies to the south of the Himalayas. Then after that we have Great Indian Desert. In the western part of India we have Great Indian Desert. Then after that the south of northern plains lies Peninsula Plateau. In which shape? Yes, triangular shape. Then after that to the west of the Western Ghats and the east of the Eastern Ghats we have coastal plains. Okay, we have coastal plains. Then which are the two groups of islands? Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep in which sea? Arabian Sea, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal. So children, study well and update your notes very well. Please note that the notes of the lesson and the test paper are also attached along with this video. Attempt the test paper without fail. Thank you.